In this video, you will learn how to make money with Doordash. Making money with Doordash is straightforward and flexible, mainly through becoming a Dasher, which is a delivery driver for Doordash. To get started, sign up as a Dasher and pass the background check. Make sure to set up your payment information. Once you're approved as a Dasher, you can start accepting delivery requests from restaurants to customers in your area. You will earn money based on the distance travel and the size of the order, and you can also gain tips from your customers. You can work as much or as little as you want, making it a great option for a flexible side income or full-time work. Beyond just driving, you can boost your earnings by working during peak hours, such as lunch and dinner time. This is when demand is higher, and Doordash offers bonus pay or surge pricing. Additionally, Doordash has fast pay, which is an option that lets you cash out your earnings instantly for a small fee. Another way to make money with Doordash is through referrals. If you refer a friend to sign up as a Dasher, you can earn more bonuses once they complete a certain number of deliveries. For those who want to make more, combining Doordash with other gigs, such as economy jobs like Uber Eats or Postmates, you can maximise your income potential. With a dedication and smart scheduling, Doordash offers a simple and flexible way to earn money, whether a side hustle or your primary income source. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.